Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a marketing budget with QuickBooks, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open QuickBooks and log in to your account. Navigate to the reports section from the left-hand menu. In the search bar, type budget and select budgeting. Click on add budget to start a new budget. Choose the fiscal year for which you want to create the budget. Select the option to create a budget by either choosing Create New Budget or Copy an existing budget. If you choose to copy, select Next, name your new budget for easy reference. Assign the budget to the appropriate customer or project if necessary. In the budget window, you will see a grid layout that displays your accounts. Start filling in your budgeted amounts for each account. You can break down the budget by month or by another time frame, depending on your preference. To do this, click on the months at the top of the grid to enter specific amounts. Review your projections periodically and adjust as necessary. Once all figures are inputted, double-check for accuracy. Click Save to finalize your budget. You can also run budget reports by going back to the Reports section. Search for Budget versus Actual to analyze your spending versus your budget. Monitor your budget regularly to stay on track and make adjustments as needed. Explore any additional features in QuickBooks, such as budget alerts and forecasting tools. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.